Jumpstart your digital marketing with these tips. First and foremost, you need to know who you're talking to. What are their pain points? What solutions are they looking for? Once you understand your audience, you can tailor your message to resonate with them. Use tools like Google Analytics and customer surveys to gather data. What do you want to achieve with your campaign? Is it brand awareness, lead generation, or sales conversion? Your objectives will guide your strategy, so make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Not all social media platforms are created equal. LinkedIn might be more effective if you're a B2B company than Instagram. Research where your audience hangs out and focus your efforts there. The age-old adage still holds. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, your content should provide value to your audience. It's not just about selling. It's about educating, entertaining, or inspiring your audience. Your best friends are search engine optimization, SEO, and search engine marketing, SEM. SEO helps you rank higher in organic search results, while SEM involves paid advertising. Both are crucial for driving traffic to your website. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted email. It's one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and engage your audience. Personalization is key here. Nobody wants to read a generic email. Once your campaign is live, keep an eye on the metrics. Are you reaching your target audience? Are they engaging with your content? Use tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights to track your performance. Don't be afraid to tweak your strategy based on the data. Last but not least, set a budget and stick to it. Digital marketing can be cost-effective, but it's easy to overspend. Always measure your ROI to get the most bang for your buck. Remember, digital marketing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's an ongoing process of trial and error, learning and adapting. But with the right strategy, tools, and mindset, you'll be well on your way to building a successful digital marketing campaign. By leveraging user-generated content, you not only build trust, but also create a community around your brand. It's like having a team of brand ambassadors who market your product for free. Plus, user-generated content provides you with valuable content that you can feature in your own marketing efforts. It's a win-win situation. So, are you ready to unlock the power of user-generated content and give your digital marketing campaign that extra boost? That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.